Today, I'll show you what I eat in a day on 1,000 calories. This is episode 1 of the series, an easy, filling, and realistic menu. Enjoy watching. This is my menu for the day. 1,000 calories. Episode 2 is coming soon.